So hello viewers, my name is Ravinder Singh Rathod and I have some friends with me who we all are gonna discuss a given topic, how a student or can how people can earn money by using social media, and how what can be the best way of earning money from the social media. So we are gonna have a discussion on this topic and I hope you all will enjoy this discussion. So right now I'm just gonna pass the mic to.
Hello friends, my name is Virendra and the topic is how to make money from social media. So in this era we are going to be digital and there is a boom of internet. So we all are on the social media platforms and all the people are uploading the genuine content and wants to be popular and wants to be gather audience. So if you gather a certain amount of audience, then you can start earning by the sponsorships and ad Google ads like that. So how to make money in the age of in young age, like teenager, they can earn money from social media because they can't go to any job, and the way of earning money is like be consistent, upload your genuine videos, informative videos that attracts the people, and be patient, be calmful, and just continue the work. Thank you.
So as my friend Virendra said, if we have the certain amount of subscribers or the people who generally follow us, then we can start making money by from the social media. There are so many people, there are so many students who really want notes. So if I take myself as an example, if I'm a student, I'm studying in the 11th or 12th, so I can upload my own notes on YouTube, and if someone gets something out of these notes, and if it is really helpful for the for the other students, so sir, they will subscribe my channel and I will start getting the certain amount of followers. So by by getting certain amount of followers, I will start making money also, and it can be a profession. We can take a social media as a profession. In the beginning it might be very difficult for a student or for a person who is on social media to earn money, but he should be patient. He should have the calmness, and gradually he will start earning money. There may be so many ways of earning money by using the social media. If we become a popular on social media, if we have a certain amount of followers, we can so many company will access to us and they will ask us to advertise their product. So by advertising their product, we can make money, and it has also a negative point, sir. By with the social media, we can do a lot of things, but there are some negative points as well. If there is a student, sir, he is studying, and if he starts spending more time on social media, so he will not be able to perform well in his study and in his academics. So he has to make a balance with in both the things. If he is able to do so, then he may be a successful person within coming year.
Hello everyone, this is Abhay Singh. According to me, we can just earn money from the social media, and like if you are just studying anywhere, so if you just want to earn money from the social media, so that time we are just also develop our skills, like how to play, how to make them understand, and how to do anything. So it's our skills, so it's a beneficial for if you are just showing our talent on the social media. So we can also teach the other persons, and we can also share our experience in the front of the on the social media. So these kinds of we can also famous in the social media. So that's type the YouTube and Instagram, they are just give us the money if you are just a very popular person. So these types we can just earn money and from the social media.
Hello friends, this is Monica Rathod, and today our topic is how to make money with social media. So I would like to say that if we want to earn money by social media, then we need to creativity, and we always have to be active on the social media, so we can gain more knowledge and can more share. And if we are talking about can student make money while studying, so I think they can do data entry jobs, and they can share their notes and sell their notes, and course book also.
Hi viewers, my name is Divya. So according to me, how to earn money from social media? Firstly, many apps available in social media like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and games like PUBG and this type similar games. Doing play games, and they recorded video and upload on YouTube, and they earn money. We all about know think that made us these words are most popular on this Instagram.
So guys, as Divya was saying that there are so many apps, by using all those apps we can make a lot of money, but we can make our own app, we can develop our own app. Here I wanna give an example of an application. Now this application is known by everyone, and that is Unacademy, and the worth of Unacademy is today around 11,000 crore rupees. So there were two youngsters who were from they were from Jaipur. So they got a job. In the beginning they just got a job, but they left and they just developed their own application, and now everyone knows that application. This application provides even the jobs to many teachers, who were teaching at a basic level earlier, but by just joining the application, they started accessing to the more students, and they started benefiting more students. So we can make our own apps, we can develop our own application. And if we have any YouTube channel, so we can make our own YouTube channel, sir. As an example, I will take a name of a Mr. Indian Hacker. So he has around 20 million subscribers, and in the beginning he had to face a lot of difficulties when he started his own YouTube channel. When he was doing experiments and no one focused on what he was doing, even the neighbor, the people who were living in his neighborhood started making fun of him. They used to say, what you are doing, they say there is nothing, you are good for nothing or something like that. He was opposed so many times, but he didn't quit. He kept doing his experiments, and today in the social media everyone knows his name, and he is making so much money by using the social media only. So guys, I would say that this can be the easiest way of making money, but we have to make a balance. If we are a student, it is totally up to us how we just make a balance in both the things. If we are able to make a balance, then it can be the easiest way of making money, and it can be it can really help us to build our future. If we want the money to do any kind of course, if we earn money from the social media, so we can use that money in purchasing or doing that particular course. So this is how we can earn money by social media.
So Ravinder took a good point that if you are a social media influencer, then your earning is started. Then the money you get, invest it in your equipments like camera and stand like this, microphone, etc. So invest the money into the equipments like that. And the other point is, if you are I would like to say, guys, please do it in a part time. Like, don't invest your time in this, because it can be grow or it can be destroy your career like that. So please don't, in the beginnings, please don't use it like full time joining. And the other point I wants to say that learn something skills like that are required to maintain a channel. Like video editing, thumbnail making, and music editing. These are the skills that you should learn. And the other point, maintain a good balance of between the academics and your YouTube channel. And if you are on the other social media like Instagram, so you have to make a balance between them, and don't avoid your studies. If you get free time, then invest it on your social media platform. And the other point is the disadvantage of the social media, like it will waste your money and waste your time, because if you don't get something, if you don't have more followers, then be consistent on making the content.
So I totally agree with the Ravinder and Virender. They also told about the how maintenance we should be maintain a good balance. And so if earlier I think last 2 year, and we saw, and lots of the youngster and the students, they also use Instagram and TikTok and whatever. They made a, like, you know, short videos, and lots of people, they famous and from the social media. But if we are just think about that, those persons, they are not famous, and they also spoil their time of the study. So they are just facing the too much, and they also think now their mentality is that the government will postpone their examinations. So it's also effect on their mentality. So it's a harmful if we are not making a good balance.
They both have put their points forward, and I think there should be a balance in the social media and in our life. There are so many people who keep making the videos, keep uploading their content on social media, but they get nothing out of it, because the content is not liked by the people, and then they keep doing all these things for the further, and they keep doing all these things for a quite while, and they get nothing. So it is totally a waste of time, and there are so many students who had a mind earlier. They were very much intelligent, but by being in the influence of social media, they destroyed their future by themselves, because they were not able to make a balance. So guys, I would say that just create a balance, and just do, if anyone has the skill which can be shared by the people, and if the people can get benefited of that particular skill, then we must be on the social media, because we are living in a digital world, so where we cannot keep ourselves away from the social media. So we should definitely do something productive on a social media that can really benefit us. So guys, we all have put our points forward, and please let us know what are the things you like about the video, and what can be the next topic on which we can have a GD in our next video. And please like, share and subscribe this channel, and keep watching the videos.